Hi dears, how are you doing? In this video lecture, I will brief you how to remove username and password while logging on to your Windows on laptop or computer device. Many people want a username and password for security purpose, but many users do not want to have any username or password while they log on their Windows. First of all, it's a very easy task. First of all, you have to go to user accounts. Click start menu, type user accounts. When you type user account, here is option of your account info. Click on it. In account info option, at left side you can see sign in option. In sign in option, there is a required sign in. I have to disable it. Yes, there is option of never. Required sign in never. Click on it. That was the first step. Now cross this window and again go to start menu and type here netpl viz. Open this command netpl viz. User must enter a username and password to use this computer. This option should be unchecked to remove username and password from your laptop or computer running Windows 7 or 10 or 11. I uncheck it. Click apply. It will ask you your previous username and password. I should say your username and password. I should not use previous word. I type my password. Okay. Now you will see that there will be no any username or password window while logging on to your Windows 10 on your computer or PC. Now I am going to restart my laptop. I want to show you that there will be no any password or username demand will be raised. As you have seen that username password screen has been skipped and I have logged on my PC without username and any password. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.